Garmin Boat Switch is an all-in-one digital switching solution that allows you to operate up to 20 circuits right from your compatible chart plotter, including your navigation lights, dimmable cabin lights, pumps, horns and so on. In this video, we will show you how to set up your boat switch on your chart plotter. Before we start, make sure you have properly connected your boat switch to the devices on the vessel. Now, go to Vessel, Switching. You will see all the switches here, whether their channels are connected or not. First, we need to set the switch configuration. Select Options, Settings, My Vessel, Switching, NEMA Standard, Configuration. Garmin Boat Switch provides both latching and momentary switches, but only receives a momentary signal from the chart plotter. So, select Momentary. Then, change all the switches' configuration to momentary. Next, let's go back to switching. There are 5 kinds of switches. The first kind is toggle, including channel 1 to channel 5 and channels 9 and 10. Press to turn on or off. To be noted, by default, channels 1 and 2 are for navigation lights and anchor lights. They are interlocked for preventing collisions. The second kind is Livewell Pump. Channel 11. Press to activate, and the pump will run for 1 minute every 5 minutes. Press and hold for 3 seconds to continuously run the pump. Press to turn off. The third kind is Bilge Pump, including channels 12 and 13. Press to run the pump for 2 minutes. Press and hold for 3 seconds to run the pump continuously. Press to turn off. The fourth kind is dimmable, including channel 17 to channel 21. Press to turn on or off. With a light off, press and hold to turn on the light at 100% brightness. With a light on, press and hold to dim the light, and release to stop dimming. The fifth kind is momentary, including channel 25 to channel 27. Press and hold to turn on, and release to turn off. And that's it. Please watch our other videos for more boat switch tutorials. Thanks for watching.